And there are concerns that this pause could make vaccine hesitancy even worse. It comes at a time when those heading out to get the vaccine appears to be slowing down here in Ohio. But News 5's Emily Hamilton found the cause is more about access rather than reluctance.
As the marathon race to the finish line continues, experts say vaccine distribution efforts in the Buckeye State are running headfirst into hurdles.
We actually need to go sit down with our data persons and say, where are the people, where do they live? And then drill down to those neighborhoods.
35% of Ohioans have received at least one dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, and only 23% of the state's total population is fully vaccinated as of Tuesday. Dr. Amy Edwards, an infectious disease expert at university hospitals, says she's keeping a close eye on other countries overseas seemingly hitting the same plateau.
A lot of those countries are coming to a screeching halt, somewhere in the 50 to 70% range. And so I think that is absolutely a real concern.
On March 31st, 98,801 Ohioans received their first dose of the vaccine. On April 10th, just over 40,000 people. And Sunday, fewer than 12,000 Ohioans. Ivanka Hall of the Black Health Coalition says the initial vaccination sign-up momentum is wearing off for a number of reasons, including health and transportation inequities in minority communities.
We also have people who have minute phones. So those phones don't allow you to sit and wait and wait and wait, especially when you only get so many minutes for the month.
Hall says zip code vaccine evaluations lead to skewed data and is calling for more boots on the ground efforts to reach underserved communities.
Sending out a mailer, if that means doing a call, if that means stopping by, and then letting them know that it's available and that there's going to be vaccinations in their community.
And Edwards agrees there is more to be done.
We've got to start taking the vaccines into the community and doing it. And, even if your clinic is reaching small amounts of people, every person vaccinated is one less person that's likely to end up hospitalized.
The Black Health Coalition is calling on all Ohioans to adopt the same in this together mentality that echoed through communities a year ago.
This is not time for us to pull up our roots. This is time for us to dig in our heels and say, what are our other plans of operations?
Emily Hamilton, News 5.